Hi, this is Norman, and welcome back to Norm's Corner. We're in the Norm's Corner studio today, and today we're going to go over a review of the Ryobi 18 volt trimmer edger. This one right here. Now, I've had this for 3 seasons now, so it's not kind of a out of the box kind of review, but this particular model hasn't really changed at all. And basically, when you open up out of the box, you'll have this handle that you'll need to put together and just attach it onto here. This will come separated. Let me open it up. So this will be separate here. This will basically come like this minus this. I'm going to set this down for a second. And then on this one, you will get this black shield. And there's three screws on here that you'll screw down. And then one thing that I want to show everybody, that it'll come with the blade here for cutting the string. And it'll come just like this. And what you want to do is you want to get a Phillips screwdriver and loosen this up. You don't have to take it out. And then just take this and twist it back over to this side and then tighten it down. I don't know why it comes like that, but if you leave it like this the other way, the string gets eaten up a lot quicker, and by having this will keep the string to last a little bit longer. And we're going to go over how to install the string on here, and the one attachment that also comes with this as a separate purchase. Sometimes you can find different kits. There's different versions of this. Ones with batteries, ones without. Ones that a real good deal. If you can find this one with a blower and a battery and the charger, that's a really good deal. Now, one of the other things that we want to go over is there's a metal plug-in. And it needs to go in just where it matches the 2 arrows. And you need to make a good fit. You don't have to grip this thing down super tight, but it has to be tight enough that it doesn't lose its connection. If this thing loosens up, because a lot of times people will grab this just because it's kind of in the middle and it's easy to carry it. And if it loosens up enough, then it won't connect with the battery, and you'll think that it's broken, and it just needs to be tightened. And then once you have everything connected, then of course you will get your battery, push it all in there, snap it in, and it's ready to go. This thing comes with 2 settings. It has a low and a high. My suggestion, if for just normal grass, edging work around a normal average home, I would leave it on the low. The high would be something when you're cutting really super thick grass, like say you moved into a house and people haven't taken care of the yard or something, then I would go with the high. And there's an attachment that I'm going to show you that one I would probably go with the high as well. One of the other features on this edger is that it has this little step that you just push down here, and then it'll turn over, and now you've got an edger that you can just roll along the side of the sidewalk, and then you just push it back, and because I don't have grass here, then it'll close right back up. It has a lever here for adjusting the amount of string. I don't have any string on here, so I'm not going to turn it on. And then we'll go into now how to install the string. One of the first things as far as the safety concern is make sure when you're changing the string out, make sure you disconnect the battery from the unit. And then you're just going to come back, flip it over, and again, there's 2 little push down presses here that'll pop this cap right off, and just set that off to the side, and then you'll get this in here. Now, Ryobi makes 2 strings. when you buy this unit from the store, it should have string already installed, ready to go. If you're buying it from somebody, then you may want to make sure that you have string on there. So they have two versions. They have this like a neon green, and they have a blue. And the neon green is a much better one to use. The neon green is the one that'll come with this. It's twisted on there, so it cuts a lot cleaner than the blue one. And now, what you also want to do when you're out there at the store, do yourself a favor and get the 3-pack of this Ryobi string. And then this way you have enough to, I would say this for me will last at least 2 seasons. Okay. And then this is the attachment. And the attachment works similar to, it has the same shape features as the cap. And this one is perfect for if you're going into an area like this, there's a lot or something where you have a lot of very thick weeds. This is the attachment that you want to have, because this will cut through that so much quicker than using the string. And before we put the string in, we'll just go ahead and show you how to do the attachment. So you have the same push-in feature. You're just going to push it in like so, and then it's locked in place. You'll also notice that it's clear from this, and it has the same cutting system. It'll just spin around. It won't be any heavier or anything like that. And then to remove it, just take it out again, push it in, and then it comes right out. Now we'll open up one of these packages, and then I'll show you how to put the string in. Okay, so to put the string in, the first thing you want to make sure is that these gears, that's the part that's going to go down. But you got to make sure the string gets in here, so just prop up your edger, get the string pulled in there tight so it doesn't unravel, then push this thing down, and then all you got to do then is just put the cap in, make sure it slides in so that it fits into these crevices here, and it's snapped in, and you're good to go. If you don't think you have enough string on here, there's a little way you can fix that. This little button, if you push down on it and at the same time pull this up, then it'll come out a little bit longer. And then that should be enough. You don't want it too much, because then it's just going to whack off and it'll be of no use. See, it's just perfect. Right. That's about it. I've had this now for 3 seasons. It's worked perfectly. This is perfect for your normal average size home, maybe 2,500 square feet or more. If you have a smaller yard, I would say this is probably not the one to use. Ryobi has smaller versions that would be perfect. They even have a hybrid one that uses an outlet or a battery. And I hope this thing worked out and is good information to help you. I'm trying to make more videos. I hope you like this one. Please subscribe. Hit the like button. Any comments, I've been trying to write back to people to help them out. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave me a comment. One other thing, just as a safety, when you're using this, make sure you have gloves, and then also make sure you have some kind of eye protection, because when you're doing the edging part, you're kind of leaving it open for rocks or anything to come up on you. And I hope you like this video, and have a good day. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you next time.